and welcome back to Cageland. So I am so excited for another week of planning. Well, really decorate with me. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Put your hands on my back, boy. I found this pink and gold backdrop and I've been having it for a while and I just really love it. So I wanted to really play off of it and try to do a pink and gold theme for this week. Initially, I was going to cut out these boxes, but you know, when I put them down, I was like, yeah, I don't like those. So I scrapped that and just pulled out my handy dandy color storybook. So you guys know that Mondays are my deep cleaning days, and this Monday I'm actually going to film it because I'm doing a declutter in my kids area. So I decided to, you know, put down an iron. I didn't have another vacuum cleaner, so I decided to just put an iron just to remind myself that I really got to do that laundry too. I found these little note cards. I've had them for a while and I thought they were really cute. I forgot what box they came in. I bought them in like a whole pack maybe a few years ago, and it has like cute little quotes on them. I don't know, it just wasn't tickling my fancy, so I eventually took that off as well. As you can see, I honestly was just trying different things until I got the perfect setting this week, other than tidying up the house on Monday, taking my daughter to ballet and filming and editing. I feel like I have just been on mom duty. Sometimes I have to remind myself to just relax. So that's where the bathtub came into play. I wanted to do just a whole pamper weekend for myself. Now that didn't take long at all. I really love the way this turned out. It's kind of simple, but I wanted to leave myself enough room to write everything that I needed to write. Sometimes, y'all know, I get a little carried away. This time I just really wanted to make sure I can stay on track this week. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also, if you have not already subscribed, now girl, come on now. If you have watched all the way to the end, if your girl subscribe and join the family, I would really love to have you. And say something in the comments so I know. Don't forget to share, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.